Hello, this is Christine Rectamol. We are talking about Werewolf by Night by Disney. The main character in this movie is Elsa. She has been rejected by her family and now is coming back in to try to win over the Bloodstone. She has been controlled by the hierarchy from her father, who is the head of the society. The society is all about control. Now, the coveted bloodstone that signifies the leader of the family and society is up for grabs. As you first walk in, you see the hallways. Jack, the monster, who is disguised as a hunter, is thrust into the symbolic world of death to all monsters. The first thing shown as he walks in is a He-Man figure fighting a monster, depicting who the hero is and who the bad guy is. It then pans out to show a Latin phrase meaning give up the ghost. This pays homage to giving up something that you cannot win. In this case, it would be that Jack can't win against a society of hunters. Or is it that the hunters can't win against the fact that the daughter and Jack no longer believe in their cause? Jack, now thrust into this world, walks down a hallway, monsters being killed by heroes every couple of feet as he steps in. And once he goes into this main, beautiful, rounded room, up on the walls you see the heads of monsters displayed every 10 feet. Evil music, doom and gloom spelled out all throughout this. The bloodstone being passed down must only be won by going through the labyrinth, which, of course, now symbolizes what you realize by the leader of the household being Ulysses as the labyrinth with the beast. The labyrinth is indeed being the action scene where the hunters must actually win over the coveted bloodstone by defeating its protector, the beast. Here is our coveted bloodstone. These are the hunters that want it. And this is the person who wants to save the monster from it. The bloodstone symbolizes control, control of the family in the case of Elsa, control of the society in the case of the hunters, and control of the monsters in the case of Jack. The humans and hunters themselves are depicted as the good guys in the movies, stereotypical bad guys from history. This is where the hierarchy in the movie shows its face. Who are the real monsters and who are the real bad guys? When you first show the female antagonist here, she actually has white hair in her brown hair, which depicts a Frankenstein's bride. Here we see the pictures of an anamorphic angel that has fallen from grace in Azrael. And Barroso with his scar on his head reminds you of someone who just walked off the scene of Wakanda. The depiction of Lorne, the Asian assassin, here, as well as Thatcher, the accented Scottish man, complete with mustache and beard that reminds you of a game hunter poacher. This is further depicted here when you see the clawed shadow Hannafter, who is supposed to be the good guy. The monster, Ted, is now revealed. He shows his true nature to be a sweet and loving, hugging Jack as soon as he sees him. Staying true to the theme that the true monsters are the hunting society trying to kill all the monsters, Jack makes a plan to help Ted escape, recruiting Elsa along the way, who reveals that she is indeed not trying to kill the monsters either and only looking for the Bloodstone. But shortly thereafter, they are captured, and Elsa is put into a cage here with the beast. Elsa, are you okay? Jack asks. Until you rip throat out, I suppose I am. It is not long after this they confront Jack, who begs them not to do this and asks to be killed as in human form so that not to kill anyone else, stating that if he turns, there will be no mercy. Unfortunately, the society do not hear his pleas, quoting that he is the monster who has killed innocents and gave them no mercy. Upon entering the room, the antagonist female, who actually is wearing a mask, our greatest symbolization yet, showing a prolific mask that reminds you of the Three Musketeers, Wise Tale of the Insane King. Locked away, his twin, who is put into the mask, later is revealed to end up being the actual twin and is switched to be the Insane King put in the mask to save society. However, in this movie, when the mask is revealed, you get a glimpse of the antagonist looking as insane as ever, with the disheveled hair and the makeup running down the reveal, almost a blood-like crying scene. Soon the monsters escape, killing all the guards in the society. With the help of Elsa, who takes out the hunter, Jack jumps at Elsa. This is the moment you realize that the beast is not the evil one. He does not kill Elsa, who has helped him and done nothing to further the cause of killing the monsters. There is a sweet aspect of the two of them where you realize that he has actually understood Elsa and Elsa has understood him. The battle between the antagonist and the protagonist continue, but Ted comes to save the day. The monster is the hero, yay, and the theme is still here. Monsters are not the bad guys, and the real monsters are the humans trying to kill all the monsters. This is the best symbolization in the entire movie. The society is dead. There is no more control. You know that the entire movie is black and white, but now that the monsters are free, Elsa is free, Jack is free, and Ted is free. The movie now all of a sudden changes to color, depicting a beautiful scene with the music in the background that is loving and happy. This depicts that the war is over, the hierarchy has lost, the bad guys that were really pretending to be good guys are gone. But yet, one last symbolism left, guys. This just plays to the part in how the monsters really are. The picture of the two, Jack and Ted, drinking coffee, camping, talking, and acting like humans, shows that the real bad guys are now dead and the good guys did prevail. Thank you very much, and I hope you enjoyed my criticism.